Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are back in another Walmart, and I see they have some new sweatpants. So I see Peanuts Social Club. These are 15. I'm pretty sure these have tops. Let's see, is this Beetlejuice or Hocus Pocus? Beetlejuice. They got him turned inside out, even though we've seen it. Let's just look at it again. There's Malibu Barbie, Mickey Mouse. Which one is that one? Peanuts. I'm right over here. Getting Loser. These shirts are, I believe these shirts are cheaper than those. Yeah, these are $6, but these are $9. If you got it, on it. Always and Forever. Love is Eternal. Always and Forever. The Nightmare Before Christmas. See You in Your Nightmares. That one is $9. There's the Hocus Pocus. There's two different versions. So this one has the pink string and a hoodie. This one has the green string with the green zipper. $19. There's the back. It's this one. These are cute. And then there's the pants. Hocus Pocus. We are right by the door and right by the baskets. So, and then those pants, the bottoms will go with the other ones. Hello Kitty and Friends. Oh, I bet the top to that is cute. Hopefully you can find it. This one is like falling all off the hanger. The Pumpkin King. Let's see. Hopefully it's this one. Nope, this one is Winnie the Pooh. Peanuts, that's the tops of the other pants, and these sweat shirts are $13. It's kind of warm in here. Onaha Stitch. There's the Deadpool top. Lola Bunny. The Hello Kitty ones probably went quick. Nope, Lola Bunny. Yep, Hello Kitty ones went quick. Some more t-shirts. I think we saw mostly all of those. Okay. Look at how they cleaned out the earring section. So the last time we was here, we saw, I believe this one, in a roll of Princesses Be a Witch. We didn't see this one. Hey Boo, Wicked Boo. Howdy Boo, Peekaboo, and this one just says Hey Boo. We did see that one. Both of those are cute, and this one in the black. Oh, here's the bottoms to the Lola bunnies. Okay, and the Brats. So let's just assume that all of these have tops and bottoms. Lola Bunny, Creature of the Night, Hocus Pocus. Alright, the last time we saw these tops, and they do have the bottoms. So these are 10. So there's the tops. The bottoms are shorts. Here's the bottoms. And it comes in the plaid, that cream, the black, the burgundy, the camo. All right, let's go. We're gonna go back over to the Halloween decor. I think they got out some new decorations and costumes and stuff, so let's go check that out. All right, so down that aisle is all the candy. Maybe I'll come back and go down that aisle last. But they do have some of the costumes. So look, it's I Love Mommy, Peekaboo, it's a pumpkin. These are 10. Oh, look at the Frozen, that's 15. Snow White, Minnie, Minions, oh Bluey. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna let Miss Sky be yet. Riley says she wants to twin with her friend or do a coinciding costume with her friend. So they have the Disney princesses for 15. Elsa, Anna, Ariel, the Witch from Wicked, Wonder Woman, Ladybug. 20. 20. I like this witch. Riley was a witch for like 3 years in a row. I love that little arrow. She's done with that. Oh, and she was this one last year. Ghost Space Cheerleader. Of course, they got Miss Pennywise. Also available in adults. These are 20. We're going to take a slow turn over here. We're not going to spend too much time in the costumes because I feel like we'll be here forever. Now watch me say that and then me still be in the costumes for a good little minute. These are $6. The Halloween Devil Kit, $8.98. It's the swords. Is this? Oh, it lights up. I thought it was like bubbles. 25 Minecraft. 25 Fortnite. These are all 25. Halo is 15. 15. Fortnite 25. Spider-Man 15. Iron Man 15. Transformers. Spider-Man. I feel like these are all the same costumes that we always see. Let's see if I can spot any new costumes. 23. Killer Clown. Twisted Clown. Skeleton Phantom. Skull Ninja. Beetlejuice. This one is new, of course, because of the movie. 25. Minions. There's some. These are 25. Fall Guys. Blow up costumes. Alright, let's jump into some of the decorations, the stationery. These plates are $3. Oh, look, they have the balloon arc for $5. Happy Halloween, a table cover, 98 cents. These are 98 cents. Bloody candy spray. Ice molds. These are 97 cents. The plates. There's also the matching cups. These are $2. These mugs are $4. These buckets are $2.47. These are 98 cents, the smaller ones. $4.47. $1.78. Kind of like the Dollar Tree ones. The Dollar Tree ones have like the hands every year. Now I think it was like a new little iridescent one. I'm gonna have to go back and show it to y'all. These are 97 cents. Some little shot glasses. Table fabric. Foil ghost, that's $2. Another one of the balloon arcs, $5.97. That's a glare from the light. $2.47. $3.98, so $4. It's a skull. Double insulated. The cauldrons are 98 cents. These are $1.48. I think they light up. Let's see. Yep, they do. So there is pumpkin and ghost. Oh, look at these. I saw somebody post these in a Walmart group and they were looking for them and they were like, all of the toppers are gone. These have toppers. And of course the whole little collection with the ghost and the eyeballs. They're cute. Little bag fillers. These are 98 cents. Pins. There's the notebooks, 3 notebooks. These are 10. The assorted mixture. Look at the bears. These are 10. Pumpkin spice flavor. $3.98. The rest of the bears for 10. I like the green one and the black one. The orange one. Alright, so my camera had a little hiccup. So $3.24 for the decorate your pumpkins. $8.98 power pumpkin carver, 7. Here's the kits, $6.98. $1.98.
Oh my gosh, Mark. Look at
The Sanderson sisters look fucking retarded in
Pumpkins, inflatable bowling. The spiders. And these actually have stuff inside of them. $4.98. Yeah, the squishies. Okay. It's the alien, the ghost, the bat, the candy corn, Frankenstein, and the cat. And what is this? Halloween notebook set. So it's the cute little notebook and the pen set. Some more cute little felt bags. $3.98, as you guys can see. They don't have everything out, but we'll definitely be back to stock them multiple times. That's a cute little bucket. $114. Halloween, the cute little ghost theme. These bags are $164. I always get the kids stuff like this to put on. This one is skulls. That one is bats, 98 cents. Good idea when they're trick-or-treating. See them, they're splashing. $3.98 Halloween mask, 98 cents. Those are $124. Let's see. 20. There's Chucky. Here's Miss Hello Kitty. She's big, so look how big she is. Pennywise and Bluey. Had to do a little rearranging of their furniture. Too cute to spook. $9.97. That is $27. And this is $8.
you put a mask on. You scared cash. Stop.
$10. Ceramic warmers, $13. Magic Halloween, that's $4.97. They are $13. $5. And they have some of the projection lights for $17. They are $20. Same ones that we saw in the door greeters. They just have them there like that. All of the skeletons, and let's see. Some more section over here. We already walked through all the fall. Make sure you go back and check that video out. Make sure you go back and check out any of the previous videos you probably missed. But if Walmart is one of your faves, that fall stuff may be coming to your area. I don't have, they don't have prices on these yet. I think they were just over here putting those out. But this is how they look fully. Oh no, they're 15, okay. All right, 15, they look like they're gonna stand pretty tall. $55, Skeleton Reaper, Spooky Pumpkin Reaper. These pumpkins are $6.97 pillows. So there's a pumpkin one, mushroom, and this one? Acorn. Oh look, as I'm bending down to show y'all this acorn, I didn't show y'all this right here. $5 and $10. This is heavy. The snow globe. Another little Halloween section. So these are $3.43. It's a ceramic spoon rest. It's the ghost, the skeleton, the pumpkin. Salt and pepper shakers. Look like some ghosts. Do they have faces? I think they may have faces. They look like they're turned around. Skeletons and the pumpkins. The sponge holders. That's cute. They're not done putting everything in here yet, but this is pumpkin spice, pumpkin nutmeg, and cinnamon for $7. Cranberry mandarin. It's cranberry, currant, and sweet orange. And this one is pumpkin spice. It's the same notes, just different packaging. Cranberry mandarin, spooky season, spooky vibes. These are $5. Vanilla, mulled cider, warm fall leaves. I put a spell on you. Fall farmhouse and apple pumpkin. These cups are $6. And these cups are $6. Is a little 3D print showing up. It's like a psychic 3D print. And the purple. The black one has skeletons. The white one has ghosts, of course. And this orange one has pumpkins. $7. Uh-oh. And these mugs are $3. Shaped like a pumpkin. Let's see, can we pull this up and get that back in there safely? Is that $3? Oh, and these are $3. These are color changing. I wonder what color do they change to. Those are color changing, and that's the pumpkins. The treat jars. These are $7. These are $7. The dispensers. This is a, I guess could be like an ice bucket. The molds are $15. These are $15. There's a white pumpkin and a clear, the orange pumpkin and a clear pumpkin. These mugs, these are $10. The ghosts and the pumpkins, and then these cups are 50 cents. It's like little pumpkins in that one. The black one is pumpkin spiders, a house. The purple one is ghosts. And they pretty much have the same design. And the bowls too. The bowls and the plates. $5.96. These cups. It's also in that black and the purple. These are $4.98. It's a pink one too. I see some Christmas PJs. It almost feels kind of weird showing y'all Christmas PJs, and there's so much Halloween stuff in this video. But they do have Christmas. Alright, let's go see what else they got. Diamond table. These are $15. So it's the cream with the black lining, or it's the black with the cream lining for $13. $15. Mr. Mint and white. This is a table runner for 18. Another table runner for 18. Some Pioneer Woman, 18. And the placemats, those are 7. It's a Pioneer Woman, 15. 16. I think we saw these before. Yeah. It's a nice fall color. And here's some seat cushions too. Those seat cushions are 11. And these are 13 right here. These blankets are 20. Some fall candles, $6.77. There is warm apple pie, fall farmhouse, vanilla and pumpkin spice, apple fritters, mulled cider, alpine forest, cinnamon. Did I tell you guys apple pumpkin? So there's apple pumpkin too. Look at this one. This is 5. Hearts mug. Some bacon and eggs. The TV. These are color changing. $7.86. Spider-Man, Mario, Nightmare Before Christmas, Hogwarts. Look at Hello Kitty. Everybody's stepping their cup game up. Look at this one. That's 6. There's a Bluey. Who's that? Wednesday. I was watching Wednesday last night. I said, let me jump into the Wednesday train. I guess by looking at all her stuff all throughout the store, I'm like, yeah, let me check it out. Let me see what's going on. I don't know. It was a slow start for me. Any of y'all watch that? Plan on watching it? I'm trying to watch it now, so when season 2 comes out, I'm all caught up. This is 14 when I do watch TV. I don't watch a lot of TV, but when I do. These are 8. These are 8. This one is 8. For this mug, that's a pretty mug. $10. There's some with the initials on them. They stuck one of the Halloween cups over here. That mat is 20 up there. Some more Christmas comforters. These are 35. And I see some more right here. You guys do me a favor, if you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like and comment. Throw a little shopping bag emoji in the comments. These are 15. And these are 15. More fall colors. Pop-Tarts limited edition. Frosted pumpkin pie. I haven't seen this. It's on rollback. The pudding butterscotch. $127. Alright, so I see Cozy Fireside some more, and it definitely smells good. It's a 3-wick candle by Bodycology. I don't know what else was over here, but I'm gonna definitely have to be checking back because I'm pretty sure it was probably more than that one candle. And then right over here, we've been through all the Dr. Teal's before, but I see they have a limited edition Pure Epsom Salt Warm Autumn Comfort. Helps ease aches and pains from muscle soreness, comforting essential oils, help calm the mind. And then they have some ashwagandha. I never seen the ashwagandha one. But these are $5.87. There are some zombie Takis, $8.88. These are $8.48. And these are $6.98. The mini cheese balls. It's 32 bags. We did see the Swiss Miss Pumpkin Spice in Target, but they do have it in Walmart. Well, this is actually the Keurig. For the Keurig, $12.98. There is caramel apple pie and maple pecan pie. And limited edition Twinkies pumpkin spice. And the iced pumpkin cupcakes. These are $3.48. Alright, so thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping around with me in Walmart. I am going home now. It's early. I feel like eating some chili beans, cornbread, and crackers today. So by the time you guys see this, my dinner probably already be ready. What are you guys cooking? Hope you are enjoying your day. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, browsing around with me. Hope you enjoyed me chatting with you and showing you the goodies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.